Hi guys, welcome to Digital Edu World. In this video, we will learn about how to make free online digital classes. Especially in this video, I will tell you a small video editing software. By this software, you can explain your topic related to your subjects much more effective for better understanding of your students or of your clients. So without wasting any time, let's begin this topic. So before it, we have to install in our mobile a small software that one you can call. Before it, we have to install that video editing software. You can call the Vname. So for that you have to go to Google Play Store. Okay, then after you have to type in the search box Vname. Okay, this is a video editing software. If you will find here, you will get much more option. Okay, so our net is only slow, so that's why I'm not getting proper response from the net or Google side. So just I will show to you which I have already installed on my mobiles. So by this you have to install your app. So I have already installed on mobile. So I will try to open and do something. Okay. Here is a Vname software. Okay, I will click it. This is the overview. Okay, here is the project name. Here is the movie. If you want to create a movie means much more. You can take the around 40 or half an hour or 1 hours any project you can create. But project means you can take just only 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, so some projects I have already created in this. So just I will show to you how to create and earn your project related to your subjects. So first of all, here is the only two option is there. Okay, project and videos, and other things you have to click here. Okay, if you want to, this is a window overview of the windows. This window is overview of Vname video editing software. Okay, so by this app, by this video editing tools, we can create our projects, small projects, and or movies also. Movie, it means you can record, you can make your video as more than 1 hours plus. Okay, so we have to just project. I have explained because of by this we have to make one small interactive video which we have to show our client or our students. For that you have to click on this icon, first one, where is the plus in down right corner. Okay, here you have to click here. There will be two options is there. Okay, first one, name your movies. So first you have to write here your name or your project, whatever you want. So suppose I will write here class 2. Okay, class 2. What is the subject? Computer. Okay, computer. And this is a video quality for the YouTube 80 pixel means 1080 pixel. It is a very longer or pixel size, so we have to create only small one, means medium size. Okay, YouTube 720 pixels. Okay, if you will create 720 pixel, then your will be your if you will choose 120 pixel, then you can send this video around over the WhatsApp or okay. Here is two option. There is a title and this is a YouTube 720. Okay, I will create. Okay, by this tool we have to create one new one project. So let now start. I will create new one project. Okay, so first we have to click on right down corner. There is a plus symbol appear. We have to click here. Okay, and then there is a two options. Okay, first one title. Okay, and second one YouTube or your video qualities. Okay, so here you have to write your name or project name like class. Okay, class 2. Okay, what is this topic? I will create computer. Okay, computer. Okay, this is the size of the videos, means pixel. Last one 1080 pixel. P means pixel. Okay, if you will create your video will be created with as a HD quality, means a high definition. Only you can upload on the YouTube. Otherwise, if you want to choose a middle side like a 720 megapixel, by this if you will create your video, then easily you can save your video by your WhatsApp group or WhatsApp. Okay, but if you will take 1080 pixel, you can not able to send over the WhatsApp group. Okay, in WhatsApp. So you for this you have to create. If you will create if you will create 1080 pixel, then this video only you can upload on the YouTube channel. Okay, but you cannot able to send by the WhatsApp. Okay, so I will choose 720 pixel. Okay, so I will click here create. Okay, this is the main window or working area where you have to explain all the things. Okay, so this is a white screen. White screen means first you have to change this background, means this is for very effective of our eyes for the children's. So that's why we have to change it little darkness, means you can take as a black background, that is better. Okay, so I will click here. For this I will click here and take our background also. Okay, background, otherwise you can so again so okay, let now start. We have to know about all the tools whatever given is here. So this is our background area. Okay, this is background. In this area only you can perform, you can explain any topics. So first we have to choose our photos or our objects. Okay, so first you have to click here. There is some more clip art group option. Okay, clip art group custom, you can custom according to your choice. Okay, so here is some much more option, other things. If you want to take something, you can choose. Okay, like I want to insert these things. Okay, so first I will click here. Okay, and you can zoom out also by this. You click here and okay, another ones, if you want to create so okay, let now start. I have created, so let now start. We will create one new window. So let now start how to work with this app. Okay, so first of all you will click on down right corner, there is showing plus icon. Okay, we have to click here, and here are two more options. Title bar, write your name and your movie, name your movies. Okay, so you have to click here like your project name. Okay, this project will be the computer. Okay, computer, and this is the quality of the videos. Okay, like 10,080 pixel or 720. So we have to choose 720 megapixel. Okay, 720 pixels, for because of by using this option when you will create your videos. So okay, so there is two option: title, where you have to write name your movies or name your project. Okay, and another one is there YouTube quality, like 10,080 pixel and 720 pixels, and this is the quality of the videos. Okay, so we have to write here your project name, like computer. Okay, computer. Then after we have to choose this option 720 megapixel, because it is a middle quality videos. By this option we have created our video, we can send over the WhatsApp also. Okay, then you have to click here for the create. Then I will rotate our mobile screen like this. Okay, because of it will be appear as a good for the better understanding. So afterward, first we have to check all the function, all the tools, how to work it. Okay, so first one you have click here like this icon. So it means that you can hide all the tools. Okay, this is a panel. Okay, and next one, this option is like a save. If you have already created your project here already, you can save your project in your mobile phone. Okay, and another ones like these things, this icon. Okay, so by this icon, when you click here, this is just one clip art group, this video. By this groups you can choose your animated videos and like a sketch. Okay, and also much more you can custom also available in this, like drawing, safe and etc. And in this custom also means animated videos also you can insert it by using this, and by using this you can add your images, and by this add your SVG images. Okay, So first of all we have to do this is the basic things. This is drawing. Okay, drawing means you can choose from here any shapes or any pictures related to your topic. So our is only computer, so computer is here not. So I will take one electronic devices. Okay, so like electronic device like this freezer. Okay, so you click here and just you can, by using your finger, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, okay, these things I will create. This is a refrigerator or freezer also you can call. Okay, why it will be go back. Okay, no problem, let it be. We have to start another one. Okay, like our project name is computer. Then I will choose only these things. Okay, I will create it. This is our blank area where we can do or we can explain our topics related to our subjects. So first we have to import here. First we have to create a background of window. So for this you have to click here and click on this icon. Okay, you will click here. Okay, then after we have to write here some points. Okay, some points means related our topic or related our subjects. You will click here and just we have to write like a what is a computer. A computer means area the some space. Okay, so if you have already written in your mobile phone any questions, otherwise if you want to find out from the internet, so you can take from the internet. So okay, I will click here. Okay, and go a little back and take our browser. Okay, I will open our browser like Google Chrome. Sorry. By this, okay, here is a Google Chrome. So I will find only what is a computer. What is okay, I will click here. Okay, I have got from the internet some point of the computer related. So I will click here and just select it. Okay, I will from here I will copy it. Okay, and again I will click here option or function button of the mobile phone, and then I will click here insert option. Okay, what is a computer? So again we have to write here which is the correct answer. Okay, again I will click here and again I will paste it. Okay, then done it. Insert also like this. Okay, so little I will increase the font size by this using tool. Okay, I will keep here, and also we have to put here a computer photos. Okay, so I will go to computer icon, and I will find from the internet. And okay, so from this whatever you want you can choose. I say white background. Okay, that is better. It is not clear, so I will go back. Yeah. Okay, like this. I want to this images. You click here and you download it. Okay, then again you click here for go to web, and you come here. Again you have to import your images from your storage, mobile storage, on this screen or this area. Okay, so for that we have to click here. Again we have to click on the add option, add images, and this is our image. Okay, then on this I will click and again drag it. Okay, and crop it. I will keep here also. Okay, then duration will be like a 30 seconds, and function will be like evaluation means by hand, which appear the hand, and by handwriting it will be evaluation means like a large and a smallest. Okay, so I will try it for one time, then after whatever you want you can do. Okay, so let now start by this. What is a computer? Okay, like this. Okay, but we have to do more things. Okay, it will be fast, so I will decrease the 7 second. Okay, it means this image will draw within a 7 second. Okay, and this letter also we have to increase the duration as a 20 second. Okay, and this also here I will write here. Just you click it and duration will be full 20 second. Okay, evaluation is like very short. Okay, then again if you want to change something here, then a computer is an electronic device. Okay, I will write here by our words. So I will write just a computer is an electronic. Okay, that much only I will insert here. I will keep little one here this side. Okay, so I will start it. It will be like a very slowly it will play. What is a computer? Okay, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that can store, find and arrange information. Okay, and your image also will
straw. Okay, this is our first slide. Again, we have to insert one more slide here. Then we have to click on the plus icon, and again in this icon we have to write one question. What is the use of the computer? Okay, so what is use of the computer? Okay, what is the use of computer? Okay, this is, I have done it and also done it. We have to create it here.